Hey everyone. So finally managed to get a chance to make a video of the walkthrough of GSC Explorer app. Quick note before I go in is that you can click here and go and read entire code base. I won't spend much time here. I might prepare a separate video explaining the code base. But um, to use this, you basically go in with a continue dashboard. It will ask you for your Google Search Console access. Once you give access, you will be prompted to a GSC property selection. I'm going to select this property. I will define my brand names. So I'm going to define two of them. So Trident and Trident Paper Box Industry, so TPPI. Um, so the way this works is that each column separated word will be matched with your query, and if the query consists this word that you have noted here, it will be labeled as branded in all the visualizations going forward. It will make sense as we move forward. It comes with three reports or views right now. The first one is called site-wide analysis. So you will come in here and you can select the data ranges that you want to, and you can hit fetch data. This is making API call to your Google Search Console, and depending on how much data you have, it will return you with the data, and it will show you how many clicks are coming from brand, non-brand, and anonymized. Because as probably everyone knows that Google Search Console anonymizes a lot of data, but we can arrive at this number. And in my understanding, there are no free tools available today that would give you insight into how much of the data is being anonymized today. So this is kind of pretty cool if you ask me. Also, in last 1 month, there are 172 keywords or queries that people searched, and you got clicks and impression from, which were actually your branded keywords, and 12,000 of them were your non-branded keywords. And based on this split, you will be able to get how many clicks, impression, CTR, and positions that you're getting from brand and non-brand. Here you can see how many number of queries um, that are ranking every day for brand and non-brand. And here is a pretty cool visualization. This will basically tell you that how many number of keywords are actually ranking in top 10, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, and let's say 10 plus. So this view is helpful overall to look at the health of your website. If something is improving or no. Then we move to second, which is site-wide overview. This doesn't look into query or pages. This looks at overall numbers, and what is helpful is that this period over period and year over year comparisons. And then you have similar numbers for by country as a dimension and by device as another dimension. And then the third report is your site-wide query report. This is basically nothing but the same query pull, but I'm also pulling queries for previous period and previous year. And you can start to do like fun stuff here. For example, first you can see that, hey, what are the difference like branded queries that we are seeing. So here you can see like Trident, Trident packaging, Trident India, cardboard Trident, all of these are like brand queries. But then you can also see what are the non-brand queries that is giving you the the most clicks and impression and whatnot. But where it gets cool is that you can use these further permutations and combinations of these filters, and and extract some of the insights. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I want to see how many what are those queries that receives impression between, let's say, 10 to 20th position, and these are all the keywords that is receiving those impressions. So corrugated boxes and terminals, CFC carton full form, all of this. So can I do anything about this? If people are searching what is corrugated boxes, do I have content to rank for that? Or corrugated boxes meaning different types of corrugated boxes, all of this. So for some of these you might have content, some of them you might not. So let's say there's one way to go about it. Another which you can do is that you can say what are those queries that used to receive at least one impression, so greater than 0, but now in the current period it is receiving 0 impression, which means that here are all your keywords where you lost uh, the, the ranking. So let's say there used to be like box rate calculator, personalized coffee cup sleeve, cost of carton box online. What really happened on these keywords? You can start to go in and investigate. You can also do this for your previous period, and you can say, give me these for greater than 0 and equal to 0. Yeah. So these are your keywords which used to receive impression in previous period, but it does not receiving impression anymore. So this is a way to use it. Now, once you are done, um, you can come here and click revoke GSC access and log out. And as soon as you do that, you will see this message and everything has been cleared, and none of the data that you gave access to exist anymore within our ecosystem of the code. You can also check the public code. If you hit continue dashboard again, it will ask you the access again. So that's what I got on mind. Let me know how you like it. I'm gonna put this video on homepage, and I might create more videos going forward. Thank you.